All right, here we go. Listen, solar panels, check. Look at here, look at here. Boy, I'm too excited. Well, you look at there. Woo, look at the future up there. Look at them panels. You see that right there? That's one set of them right there, right? Listen, Kingdom of Titanium. I'm here at the Wpgw Images. I'm too excited. Solar panels. Yes, sir. Look what we're doing. Look what we're doing right there. There go the panels. Yes, sir. It is on and popping. So there go a few right there. Look how smooth and sleek it is. Man, you better get in and know about solar. You better get in and know about solar. Let's go around to the front. Let's go around to the front. Kingdom of Titanium. Great afternoon, WPGW Solar, the I-9 family. Miss Mary Warren is in the house. Rocket Mount, how you doing? Listen, guys. We got to get this solar. These energy bills continue to go up. We got solutions. And look right here. And a couple right there. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Done deal. You can barely see it, right? Yeah, that's what it's about. I'm telling you. It is time to get in the know. We didn't miss too much. We're not able to miss it again. Everybody say, understand what I just said. We're not able to miss it again. We didn't miss too much. Everybody understand? Too much. All right, look at here. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Oh boy, it's happening. It's happening. It is happening. I'm telling you, you better get excited about solar. Yeah, we're going to bless lives around the country. If you're looking at this video, if someone's sharing this video with you, you want to get in and know about solar, it's taking the country by storm. There is major benefits to solar, and the government is behind it and reinforcing with tax credit. It's monies to be made, and what you do with the money is vitally important. You can help bring families, communities. It's a great fundraiser for the nonprofits. We give you $500,000 for every referral that's approved for solar. So that's what's on the table for nonprofits. Shout out to all my partners and family. Yes. Look at that. Glasses on the roof, ladies and gentlemen. Glasses on the roof. As I say, as I travel around the country and around the world, I love each and every one of you guys. There's absolutely nothing you can do about it. But more importantly, love yourself more than anything else on this planet outside of God, and outside of God, love yourself more than anything in this planet. See, this is what it's about right here. It's out by here being by the lake. Everybody overstand. Our next event, you better be coming in the house. Everybody overstand, I'm telling you. Oh, I see Miss Jewel Ellaby in the house. All right. Charlotte, North Kakalaki, G-Borough in the house. You better know it looks great. Look at it. Look at that roof right here. Y'all got to see this. Look at this right here. Oh, the tree's going, yeah, that tree going down right there. So I can get even more. I can save even more. Look at that. Look how nice it is. Look at nice. They did great work. And me and those gentlemen, we had a nice conversation about solar brokers. We had a nice conversation about solar brokers. Oh, they getting ready to be a part of this team. You can cool believe that. They say, it's that kind of money? Yeah. It's more money than making it as an installer. Are you freaking kidding me? Let's go. A brokerage of 10, a minimum of $1 million. Woohoo. And what you do with the money is vitally and very important. Kingdom of Titanium, Andre Waters. I'm out. God bless you. I love you guys, and absolutely nothing you can do about it. Yes, sir. Go get your solar today. Get with the person that shared this with you. Get in the know on solar, baby. I'm telling you, I'm excited. Too many people going to be blessed. More than enough. God bless. Yes, sir.